Good morning, butterfly class. Good morning, elephant class. It's me, Miglena. How are you today? Did you have fun yesterday learning? I did. I'm looking forward to seeing your photos on Earwig. What day is today? That's right, it's Friday. Friday, the 5th day of the week. It's time for our song. Are you ready? Sit comfortably, get your hands ready to sign and get your voices ready to sing. 1, 2, 3. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quick as we can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slow as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as high as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as low as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quiet as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loud as we can. Hello! Well done, everyone. Let's have fun and learn. Look, we have our magical mystery box. Let's open and see what's inside today. I have paint, washing up liquid, I have vinegar, cups or a jar, bicarbonated soda, spoons. I have experiment for you. What can we do today? Right, let's see. We're going to make a magical potion. So, I have some vinegar, and if I pour some vinegar inside my cup, can you smell it? It smells like a chip shop to me. Vinegar. I can't see any colour. I can't hear anything. But I think I'll put some paint because every time I make experiment I want to make it colourful. So shall we put a squirt of paint? Well, a good squirt of paint. Make it green. And then we stir. Oh, that's better. Make it green. Now, I'm going to put some carbonated soda. Because still, the smell hasn't changed. The color has, it's now green. But I still can't hear anything. But that's about to change. Are you watching? If I take a spoon of bicarbonated soda and put it inside the vinegar. Oh, look! A chemical reaction is happening. Bubbles are going all up the cup, all the way up. All those gases. So we made bubbles that went all the way up the cup. Ooh. Well, that's a pretty good experiment, but I think we might try something else. If we put again some vinegar in a cup time, we add washing up liquid. Oops. A good squirt. And then you get a clean spoon and you stir it. It smells a little bit better because the washing up liquid, it's clean. Oh, that's a bit better. And I still can't hear anything. The color has changed, the smell has changed, but I can't hear anything. But will that change if I add a spoon of bicarbonated soda? No, I'm not going to do it. You can do it. You can experiment and find out what happens. So, I'll leave you there. You go and do your own experiment, and I'm really looking forward to see your pictures on Earwig. It's exciting. Bye-bye.